Hi, Biotech 3-4 families. Thanks so much for joining me this evening. I'm just going to quickly walk you through what we accomplished this year, this very unique school year. Not only were your students enrolled in Biotech 3-4 at Carlmont High School, they were also enrolled in BTech 170-171 at Skyline College. And so not only did your students earn career tech education credit, which is a graduation requirement for Sequoia Union High School District, but they also received dual enrollment credit through Skyline. So they earned a total of 4 units that are UC-CSU transferable. And so that's a very exciting part of this course, is that it is college level and you are receiving college credit for it. So this is a lab skills course, and we had to do it mostly online this year. And so we are very grateful to our community of students and parents and Skyline College for helping us purchase and assemble those kits. Students also had lab demonstrations via video. My beautiful videography skills were on full display, which helps support them with their lab activities. We used online simulations. We still used our composition notebook that students used in Biotech 1-2 for notes, procedures, results. And we tried wherever possible to make connections between biotechnology and COVID and the pandemic, whether it was talking about testing or vaccine, or the ethics surrounding who gets vaccinated, how much vaccine is available to different areas. We tried to take what was happening in the real world and apply it to what was going on in the classroom. Our students also learned a lot of soft skills that they might not have otherwise realized that they were learning. So communication was critical during the pandemic, right? If you needed more time. Flexibility was another issue where, maybe your lab kit was missing something. So you had to be flexible, figure out how to make the lab work without, whatever equipment might have been lost. Patience was key, problem solving, being respectful, taking responsibility for managing your time. So there were a lot of soft skills that were in practice this school year, and your students did an amazing job. We accomplished quite a few labs at home, starting with seed germination chambers the very first week of school, and their final lab, which is to grow a plant from a seed and from a clone over the course of 6 weeks. So, students learned how to culture and grow yeast, which is a model organism. They built their own electrophoresis setup. We used a lot of inquiry, trying to figure out the best way to do things on minimal budget with minimal supplies. So while this was not the most normal year, we tried to make it as normal as possible in biotechnology. So here are some of our students in their natural environments completing some of the labs. So we have Ivan here growing some plants. We have a gel electrophoresis setup. We have a student spooling DNA. We have one of our parents who volunteered with their student to make lab kits. We have 3 of our plant labs on display over here. Students made models of DNA from materials they found at home. I gave them very few guidelines, and they let their creativity shine. Seed germination chambers, even got a little exposure during the wildfires. And all in all, we had a great year, and I hope your students learned a lot and enjoyed their time here. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me anytime, jabdilla@stq.org. Thank you.